This is December 28th. We're at Vincent Corporation in Tampa, Florida, in the assembly area. And as you will see, we are loaded right now. The press is crowded in here being assembled. But one of our customers is relocating their factory, their corn cannery, and they've decided to send back to us their two KP30 screw presses for rebuilding. They're about the only two pieces of machinery they're saving from the old factory. Presses are 10 years old. Certainly not really in need of rebuilding, but the opportunity was just too great. So these are the two KP30s. They were shipped back to us without their motors, just to save handling. And there's an obsolete design, but by current standards. The presses, they came to us, they still had some cleanup material, corn silage left over from the last operation. But this is all in pretty good shape considering 10 years of service. Gearbox is on it that way. Very rigid coupling in these. And yeah, there's a shaft coupling. Air cylinder's in good shape after 10 years. That's good. And made the loop here. Of course, these are very big presses. Resistor bars in good shape. Some dings, nothing serious. Screw department, and see the shafting material we're using for screws. But I saw down here, no, not that one. Yes, here's a screw from the bird's eye press, KP30. Carbon steel, hardened steel there. We've done some repair work there, where the seals go, and restoring the OD of the screw. Not bad for really just touch-up work for this screw. We also make small screw presses. But what takes me outdoors here, these are the screen frames from the bird's eye presses. And what we've done simply is sandblast them. At this stage, we're going to put new perforated liners inside of them.